Now let's go ahead and create a button on this page that launches the Simple Calculator dialog, and also put a button on the dialog that makes it go away when we're done with it. So I'm going to go back to my project, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move this script where it belongs. So this should go in calculator.js.php, and close that off and paste it in there. So this should continue to work the same. Let me go ahead and make sure it does. Get rid of the script tag and reload. Good, so it works the same. So when I first load this page, I don't want this div to be visible at all until I show it. And so I'm going to use some CSS to do that. So in my calculator.css.php, I'm going to close this off as well. And for things with the ID calculator, I'm going to display :none and reload. Okay, so this bar is getting added because I'm executing this jQuery code right here. So that's okay. Let's go ahead for now and comment that out. This is only going to happen when I click the button. So reload. Good. So I don't see anything at all now. So now let's go ahead and add a button that is visible on the calculator. So div ID equals show button, show calculator. And this is going to turn into a jQuery-UI button. So let's go ahead and add the code for that. So in calculator.js.php, when the page is ready, I'm going to get the show calculator button, and then I'm going to turn it into a button, and I'm going to add a click method. So this is going to be code that gets run when you click on the button. And what it's going to do is this code here. So it's going to show the calculator dialog when you click on the calculator button, show calculator. So let's try that. Oh, so not quite. Right click, inspect. So ID is show button. And let's go ahead and put a breakpoint on calculator.js.php. Oh, I already see there's a problem. So, oh, I'm missing a parenthesis here. Right. So this matches that, and then that matches that. And this whole thing needs to be in a function. So function, like so. There we go. All right, so now it should work. Good, so there's my show calculator button, and if I click on it, I get the dialog with hello world. So now I want to add a button here for when you're done. So let's go ahead and the way you do that in jQuery-UI is you pass it an object with some property set, this dialog call. And so I'm going to add a buttons property. And this is also going to be an object, and it's going to have a done button with some code that gets run when the user clicks on the done button. And what it's going to do is it's going to get this calculator dialog and close it. And that's how you close the dialog. So let's go ahead and try it now. So I have a done button, and if I click on it, the dialog goes away.